And there's two things I want to demonstrate to you involving the rational form. So a rational number has what form? It can be expressed as a, you can refer back to your notes too if you want. Shannon?
It can be a whole number, not number, and integers.
And it could also be the different decimals too, right? Okay, so all in all, a rational number has to be able to be expressed as a fraction, right? The ratio of two integers. So what I want to do is I want to show you how both repeating and terminating decimals can have a rational form. So let's start with terminating decimals. Anybody want to give me 2 digits? Marco, 2 digits. Okay. So let's say we take 5.68. So here's a terminating decimal. Right? If I want to find what is the rational form of this, it's a very simple process. And the first thing you're going to do is determine the place value. Of the last digit. Okay, so in this particular case, what is that place value? Hundredths, right? It's tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and so on. Okay, so whatever you determine that to be, you're then simply going to divide all the digits of your number. So I'm going to take 5, 6, and 8. Again, I didn't write the decimal here. I'm just taking the digits. And I'm going to divide that by 10 to the power, or by whatever the place value of that last digit is, which winds up being 10 to the power of okay, so we established that 8 was in the hundredths place. Okay, 100 is 10 to the power of 2. So if you just look, there's 2 digits after the decimal, so take 10 to that power. 10 squared is 100. So you're just going to divide by the place value. So you could think of it either way, either in terms of 10 to the power of however many digits fall after the decimal, okay, or its place value, in this case 100. And then you just simplify that expression. Okay, and we're going to use our calculator. Okay, so if I simplify in the calculator here, 568 divided by 100, hit enter, and it simplifies for me 142 over 25. Okay, so does this fit the description of a rational number? Yeah, it's a ratio of 2 integers. 142 and 25 are both integer values, so it works here. And now, in order for you to confirm this, so let's say you're taking a quiz, you go through this process, and you're pretty sure 142 over 25 is your answer. Is there a way for you to be 100% sure that that's the right answer? How can you check your answer here using your calculator? Yeah, just find the decimal form of it, right? So if you took 142, divide by 25. Hey, now, does anybody know how I can make sure that my calculator shows me the decimal value? Green diamond. So if I hit green diamond, and it highlights this little green diamond here, and hit enter, I get 5.68. It confirms that I got the right answer. Okay, so anytime you're doing these, finding the rational form of problems, you should know before you hit submit that you got it right or wrong, okay? Because you should be able to check it on your calculators.